GoPro, stop recording. Buenos dias, amigo.
Good morning.
Ready to ride bikes?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Woo! No flatties, no crashies, and definitely no whammies. Now, I want to speak about whammies really quickly. I get a lot of questions about whammies. Whammies are anything really, really bad, like a freak accident, something you could never expect, like perhaps getting chased by a swarm of murder hornets or getting struck by lightning. Bottom line, whammies are no bueno. Oh man, look at this breakfast. What's up?
Am I sad today?
No.
I'm happy!
Yay, happy! We are going to need a lot of calories today. We're going to be climbing out of Reno. It's about 4,500 feet here. We're going to go probably to about where we were yesterday, 6,000, 6,500 feet. A lot of climbing. It's going to be hot. It's going to be in the 90s today. Anything else that I'm forgetting?
It's going to be hot. We're going to be climbing quite a lot. We need calories.
Thank you, Dom. All right, we just started heading up. It's gonna be up, I think, all day long. Gonna have some good views though. And the good thing about going up is that it means it's gonna be cooler. That'll be nice. Goodbye, Reno. See you for the next Burning Man, whenever that is. That's where we're heading, up there into the hills.
Heading into the searing high desert.
Pretty sure we have left the asphalt for the rest of the day. We like asphalt, it's easy to get the miles in, but we didn't bring these mountain bikes for nothing. Mountain biking really is my favorite sport. That's how I fell in love with biking back when I was like 12. And I just like dirt. I like bumping around on dirt. It's my favorite. And there's no cars.
Oh boy, this is a steep one.
This is a good way to wake up, man. It's like, oh yeah, nice flat roads, and then bam, you're going up. Gotta earn it. We're gonna earn it today. Whew. We found water. It's so nice to cool off. How you feeling, Dominic?
Good.
Looking all wet and happy?
Mm-hmm.
Up and away, here we go. These hills are doing it to us today, but look where we are. Do we have to go that way?
We do have to go that way, but we don't have to go to the top of them. But not that far from the top of them.
We are now riding up the old Mount Rose Highway. The new one is off to my left, and I don't know when this road here was decommissioned, but It's amazing how quickly nature has retaken it. It essentially looks like a trail. Nature's pretty powerful. We've already done quite a bit of climbing today, about over 3,000 feet of climbing. And I just looked at the computer and the little needle has us going up and up and up and up. Looks pretty endless. Yeah! We gotta go in the water. Woo! Yeah! Wow! Woohoo! Oh, so good, so good. It's been a long time since I've just climbed all day long. It's good. You know, it hurts, of course, and it's tiring, and your lungs and heart are working overdrive, but it feels good. It feels good to know my body can do this. It's fun. And we also know that whatever goes up must go down.
Yeah, I feel like near the beginning of the day, I wouldn't be in my easiest spinning gear right now. But I keep being shocked to find that I am.
Hello. Hey, no, no, don't do it.
Be the end of the road. I feel like we're gonna have to go like back and around.
No! Say it ain't so, Dom. Unlock it. Jump it. Find a way.
Oh, it's this bit. I don't know what to say.
All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tahoe Twirl is over and out. There he goes. Limbo! Hey, what about me? Woo!
Yeah.
Feel good?
Did it. Did the ball buster. Now we just got lots of stunning scenery and downhill and really easy stuff. I've been smiling since we started going downhill.
That's usually how it works.
Yeah, amazing. Actually, it's cool going on a like bikepacking trip, fully loaded, and hit legitimately fun, flowy single track. It's amazing.
Yeah, I mean, the Baja Divide is off-road, but I wouldn't call it mountain biking. There's no single track. I mean, it's fun. It's a different kind of fun. This is like mountain biking. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. We just came flying around the corner. Dom started making some noise. I'm like, what? Here's the lake. It is so beautiful. Wow, looks like an ocean.
This, my friends, is super dreamy. I've only been to Tahoe once in my life, and I spent most of the time inside of a hotel, so I didn't really get to experience the beauty of the area. And I gotta say, this is as beautiful as everybody says it is. And riding through these trees just smells so good. And after being in quarantine for 3 months and finally getting out here and traveling and exploring and hanging out with my friend Dominic and meeting new people, and I'm very, very happy right now to be out here riding my bike, doing what I love. I'm very grateful, full of gratitude right now, my friends, and I'm glad that you're here with me and I get to share this with you. And it's a little bit dangerous to be mountain biking one-handed holding a camera, but I'm doing it for you. Sketchy. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, my legs are sore. It is the end of a beautiful day. Father's Day, June 21st, summer solstice. Mega awesome, amazing day. And now we're gonna go find ourselves a campsite off the trail, and Dom seems to be heading that way. Where are you going?
Yeah, man, I'm sticking away from obviously not allowed to camp spots, and I think I've isolated a little beach haven between two granite boulders here.
I highly recommend that. We climbed 5745. We descended 2619. Went 36 miles. Hey Dom, what are you doing?
I'm putting a tent or a hotel up.
Yeah, boy. What kind of tent is this?
It's Big Agnes Tiger Wall 2 bikepacking tent.
Whoa.
A lot of, like, humanity has come a long way since I was young. The idea of making a tent specifically for bikepacking is pretty amazing. It's super light. Ryan's, you've had it on your handlebars tucked away underneath the brake cables all day. Barely even notice it. It has 2 doors. It's a 2-man tent. It has plenty of room for us both to, you know, even if we don't want to snuggle. It's got all the things.
Hey Dom, what's for dinner?
Beans and tortillas and palta or aguacate.
Oh, let's see. Oh yeah. And you're opening it in the most unconventional way.
Mm-hmm.
Do you eat a lot of refried beans in Great Britain?
None. I didn't have any until I came to the States, or I think actually set foot in Mexico.
But you're a fan.
I love them.
Good.
I mean, I don't like them as much as you do, but I like them a lot.
Look at that. Mmm, beans.
It's ripe as.
Mmm, look at that.
So now it's really important that if you want your refried beans and avocado and tortilla to taste good, you fold it like this,
Mm-hmm.
and you hold it like this, and then you put it in your mouth.
Oh.
Like that.
Thank you for teaching me the way. Dom, what is this?
It's what I like to call an emergency Mexican adventure crepe. Corn tortilla with a little bit of energy gel.
One of these bad boys in there?
It's mocha. So it's a dessert crepe, obviously.
How we tasting?
Adventurous.